Hello, now we are going to talk about matrix. There are one matrix A. A is having elements minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, and matrix B is having elements 3, minus 2, and 0. Now, let matrix X be is equal to A, B, C, and D. So now, as we have said, matrix X is equal to A, B, C, D. So first question is A plus X is equal to B, right? So now we will write matrix A, that is minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4, plus matrix X, that is equal to A, B, C, and D. This is the matrix X, and we have matrix B, that is equal to matrix B, that is 3, that is 3 minus 3 minus 2 and 0. These are the matrix A. A plus X is equal to B. Now minus 1 plus A is equal to minus 3. Sorry, minus 1 plus A is equal to 3, not minus 3, it's 3. Minus 1 plus A is equal to 3. Now we will bring minus 1 on the other side, so A is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4. Now we will take 0. Now we will take 0 plus B is equal to minus 3. 0 plus B is equal to minus 3. 0 plus B is equal to minus 3. So it becomes B is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. Now we will have C plus 2 plus C is equal to minus 2. So 2 plus C is equal to minus 2. So it becomes C is equal to minus 2 is equal to C minus 4. So C is equal to minus 4. And now we will take minus 4 plus D is equal to 0. So we will write D is equal to minus 4 plus D is equal to 0. So D is equal to 4. So we will write D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. So now we have now X matrix is equal to minus 3. Sorry, 4. It is not B. It is B is equal to. It is B is equal to. It should be X. So B is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. So it is 4 minus 3 and minus 4 and 4. So this is the matrix X. So matrix X we can write here. We can write here also, that is 4. A is equal to 4. So we can write here A is equal to. We can write A is equal to 4 minus 3. A is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 4 and 4. So X matrix X is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 4 and 4. So this was the matrix X we obtained from A and B. The equation was given as A plus X is equal to B, and then we get the matrix X. We assume that matrix X is equal to A, B, C, D, and we find the value of A is equal to 4, B is equal to -3, C is equal to -4, and D is equal to 4. We put the values in the matrix X, and then we get X is equal to 4, -3, -4, and 4. So this was the question number 1. Part 1 of question number 11. Right, this was the part 1 of question number 11. Now we have to solve second part of the of this question number 11, which is based on matrix. Matrix is plane of numbers, and it is having rows and columns, and as we know, order of matrix is rows into column. Right, so here we have find the values of X. X is equal to 4, -3, -4, and 4. This is we get now we must move to the second part of the question. We must move second part of the question. We must move second part of the question. We must move second part of the question. Now let me take a snap of the solution of this part of the question number 11 and sending it to the. Now we are going to solve second part of the question 11, and that is equal to. Now we have to solve the second part of the question, that is equal to second part of question number 11, that is second part of question 11 is A minus X is equal to B. A minus X is equal to B, and matrix A is equal to matrix A is equal to -1, 0, 2, -4 minus matrix X, that is A, B, C, and D, and there is a matrix B that is 3, matrix B that is 3, -3, -2, 0, -3 and 0. Now we will take -1 minus A. Now we will take for the first, that is we have -1, that is we have -1 A minus A is equal to 3. So -1 minus A is equal to 3. So it will A will come on the other side of equal, and 3 will go there. So it becomes -1 minus 3 is equal to A. So we can write it A is equal to -4. A is equal to -4, and now we take the B, that is 0. Now we will take 0 minus B is equal to -3. Okay, so we will take 0 minus B is equal to -3 is equal to, so it becomes 3 is equal to B or we can write B is equal to 3. So we can write B is equal to 3. So A is equal to minus 4, B is equal to 3, and now we will take C, that is 2 minus C. 2 minus C is equal to minus 2. So we will write 2 minus C is equal to minus 2. Now we will bring C on this side and minus 2 on that side. So 2 plus 2 is equal to C. So we can write it C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4. And now we will write now we will have D minus 4 minus 4 minus D is equal to 0. So minus 4 minus D is equal to 0. So we can write here minus 4 is equal to D. Minus 4 is equal to D. Minus 4. So matrix X will be minus 4, 3, minus 4, 3, 4, and minus 3, minus 4. So X is equal to minus 4, 3, 4, and minus 4. So X is equal to, so we have X is equal to minus 4, 3, 4, minus 4. This is X, matrix X. X is equal to minus 4, 3, 4, and minus 4. Taking a snap of this solution of second part of question 11. Okay, X is equal to minus 4, 3, 4, minus 4, and now send it. Send it to the respective student. Okay, now we are going for the third part of the, now we are going to solve third part of the question number 11. Third part of question number 11. Sorry. So let matrix X is equal to A B C D. Third, X minus B is equal X minus B is equal to A. Yeah, so it is matrix X, A, B, C, and D, and minus matrix B is equal to 3, matrix B is equal to 3, minus 3, minus 2, and 0, and A is equal to minus 1, 0, 2, and minus 4. Now we will solve it. A minus 3. Now we will solve A minus 3. A minus 3 is equal to minus 3. A minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So A is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So A is equal to 2, and A is equal to 2, and B is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. तो b is equal b plus 3 is equal to 0. b plus 3 is equal to 0, so we can write b is equal to minus 3. a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c minus 2, c minus minus 2 is equal to 2. तो c plus 2 is equal to 2, तो c is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So c is equal to 0, and lastly we have d minus 0, d minus 0 is equal to minus 4. So again we get d is equal to minus 4. So we can write d is equal to minus 4. So now matrix X is equal to 2 minus 3. Matrix X is equal to 2 minus 3, 0 and minus 4. 2 minus 3, 0 and minus 4. So this was the third part. This is the solution of third part of question number 11, and matrix X is equal to 2 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 3, 0 and minus 4. This is the solution we have of this part of the matrix. So this was the whole solution of question number 11, and I hope you have understand well how to get solve matrix, and if two matrices are given, then we have to find a matrix like X. So thank you.